Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, My Project Ideas. Today we are going to make a C++ project on the Tic Tac Toe game. So without much delay, we'll start. We'll see the requirements of this code first. We require an IDE for running and compiling the source code. Second, we require a text editor. You may use any text editor as per your choice, but the recommended ones are code blocks or VS Code. Thirdly, you require an operating system. Again, you may use any operating system as per your choice, but the recommended ones are Windows 10 operating system or any other latest version. So now what we'll do is, we will be moving towards the code part. So I open my Visual Studio Code here and I'll explain you the code right now. So first we have included the header file, that is iostream. Then we have this using namespace std. Then there is a character game elements which is of array of size 10, where we have certain numbers starting from 0 to 9. This will be actually placed in the Tic Tac column. There are two functions named int winner, which will declare the winner and check whether that person is winner or not. Then we have the main function where it asks us to enter a number. So here you will enter a number from 0 to 9. Then if the score of the player will be 1, you will be given two options to choose cross or 0. That means if you are player 1, you will be choosing cross. This is the ternary operator. And if you are player 2, you will be choosing the 0. So basically this is the standard Tic Tac game, how it works. So basically these are the conditions, like you will be choosing from 1 to 9. You will be choosing from 1 to 9. And if already a box or a cell is already being chosen, then you can't choose that. If you choose that, then you will be given the warning like invalid move. Then if both the player 1 and player 2 are in a dead state, like both of them cannot move forward from that state, so it says game elements are drawn. For the winner, you have to check that whether in a row, in a column, or diagonally the elements are same, either the cross or the 0. So if they are same, then that person will be declared as the winner. Here we are going to check about this check boxes. Like see, this is basically the framework of how the game looks like. So these boxes are created and you need to choose. This is a 3x3 box and you need to choose your credentials or your symbol, that is the cross or 0, as per depending whether you are the player 1 or player 2. So now I will run the code and I'll show you how does this work. Okay, so here I am player 1. Suppose I am player 1, I am entering 1. So see, it's changing to cross, right? So now player 2 will enter a number, say 2. So now I also want to enter 2. You can see that already it is marked 0, but again I want to enter 2. I'm entering 2. It's saying me invalid move. Okay, so I'll be entering 3. Cool. So it's asking me player 1, enter a number. So let me enter 3. Okay, fine. Then player 2 will enter a number, say 5. And then player 1 will enter a number, say 6. And player 2 will enter a number 8. So player 2 wins here. So I hope you understood the working of this code. For more interesting project ideas, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you and have a great day.